what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, man, and let's just say, like the cops or something, I don't know, driving down the street, you know, with the sirens on. It's gonna be loud sometimes in the morning down here, but I have a pair of black canvas 4s right here, and I have plenty of these on the way. Some of them be given in my group, Hype Lab CG. Drew and I have been working on that for a while now, and we are gonna be dropping some pairs of these for members all under market, and we have a huge giveaway coming soon. This is why you should get in our wait list in our bio if you want to go join our group. Again, just get in the wait list. It will not charge you unless we let you in, so keep that in mind. But again, the reason you should join is because we have a huge giveaway coming soon for a sneaker worth over $1,000. So if that's something you're interested in, hey, get in. And also, of course, for pairs of these, we helped lots of members hitting them, kind of showed you all the raffle locations, basic stuff like that. So if you're just trying to have general drop information and know reselling a little bit better, go join Hype Labs down below. But we're going to be discussing grade school pairs of these 4s today, why they're such a good hold. So subscribe and like for more. Let's try and hit 300 likes in this video. And again, go check that all out in the description for me. It would mean a lot to me. And hopefully I'll see some of you guys down in Hype Labs. And if you're already there, let me know in the comments. I'll go say what's up, whatever. Any of you can DM me, asking me, you know, how I source shoes, whatever it is. I'm always here to help. So that's it, and let's get started. So right here I have a size 6Y, I believe. I think this is 6Y. Yeah, 6Y. I paid $210 on this pair, I think, $210 or $215. I bought it off someone in Hype Labs, so shout out to them for giving me the good deal right here, because right now these grade school pairs are up at $230, $240 right now. Now there's still about 20,000 grade school pairs on the way from sneakers, so you have to keep that in mind. That will drop market a little bit, since there was, I think, 3 times less grade school pairs than there was adult pairs. For adult pairs, there was like 63K stock or something like that, 62, 63K, might have been 64, could be wrong with that, but I just know it was in between that range. We have exact numbers in Hype Labs for stock for like each size and all that, so I could tell you, I don't remember it off the top of my head. But know that market still has some pairs coming in, so if not everybody holds them, which not everybody is, then market will drop some. So there probably will be some pairs for soon, somewhat soon, which I feel like would probably drop the market to around 200, 210, some sizes at like 190, 180, like 3.5Y and 4Y. But of course, I've mentioned this and discussed these details before. I'm not a fan of the canvas material, although the sneaker hits much cleaner in hand. It's a lot darker. Like the black is definitely it hits better in hand. I love how it hits off the gray and white on the sneaker, especially the white in the shoe. It contrasts perfectly. I mean, y'all can see that kind of right there, how it contrasts. I mean, that's 10 out of 10 right there. That's pretty good, you know, in terms of how white and black should contrast. That's like a perfect example. So how that fits together with the gray on the sneaker, along of course with, you know, the gray on the tongue tag, along with the red lettering, excuse me, messing that up a lot, but yeah, that matches with also some of the features on the sole, the red Jumpman, and also kind of the red portion by the toe right here. And you can see again all the kind of stars right there, because these have not been worn at all. Brand new pair, and I see a lot of progress on these being made. So I just kind of wanted to make a short video kind of showing you all this one in hand, unboxing it for you all, giving you guys a little in-hand view. I'm gonna let this pass by. It's like an ambulance or something. There's a lot going on this morning. Oh, they stopped their sirens. So I can show you all this now. Don't forget, of course, the gray Jumpman back here by the heel, how that kind of hits on the black on the sneaker, and then also kind of, you know, with the white right here, how that, you know, hits off the black. But I like how they kind of use this gray Jumpman theme throughout the sneaker, and kind of using the gray with also kind of these lace locks. I think that's what you would call them. I mean, they're not really lace locks, but they kind of are, you know, just the lace holders. If that, you know, I guess I could just say that would make sense. So overall, it's a good looking pair of 4s. Definitely, you know, it'd be a great personal. Again, I'm not a fan of, you know, this whole canvas material thing, but you also have some suede going around the tongue, top kind of toe box area, so I think that's nice. But overall, hopefully quality control will be good on these pairs. I still have plenty on the way because I want to hold these. This is a really good looking pair of 4s for a grade school pair, so I see a lot of progress being made. Personally, that's just what I think, so hold them. And why do I want to show you what the StockX prices are kind of looking like right now, so you guys can see in the last few days there's been like 460 sales, 500 sales, so definitely not at its peak yet, because the peak will be coming fairly soon, I'm sure. Once the sneakers pairs land, a lot of people will be selling them, and then more people will be probably trying to trying to buy them off. We'll kind of see how that goes. Unless, you know, people are just going to want to pay, you know, the $230, $240 now, which, I mean, I understand that. It would make perfect sense if people are just willing to pay, you know, $230, $240 now, considering the fact that a lot of grade school 4s recently have gone for, $300. So, I mean, it would make sense, pay under that because, it's less than you'll be paying in the future. So the current market price, if you go look at current market, let me just try and click this so I can show it to you all. There is the current market price is around 230, 240, some 220, some 200, some 195. Just again, depending on what sizes you got. I got like 2 3.5 Ys, a 4Y, 5Y, 6Y, and I think some other ones on the way. So, we're getting a big variety, of course, but, all retail pairs, or mostly all retail pairs. So that's pretty nice, and just kind of want to show you all the market because it will be rising. So this is a low point. Keep in mind, this 230, 240, we're going to see it at 300 sooner or later. So that will happen. Whether this one does do another dip, I feel like it will do another dip after the sneakers release. Again, once this pairs land from sneakers, I feel like the adult pairs and these grade school pairs will be dropping a bit in price. But after that, maybe slight dip occurs. Give it a month or 2, 3 months. Wait till Christmas, and these grade school pairs are going to be going for like $300. I have zero doubt about that. It's another GS4. Very wearable colorway, an all black 4. Think about, well, not all black, but think about it. Jordan 4s that are mostly black do very well in price. So yeah, be holding your grade school pairs, be holding your adult pairs. Adult pairs right now, if I was to actually go show you a market on these, it's around, I think, 310, 330, or 300, 330. So that's about how the military blacks were, before they dropped in the US. And let me get this to focus. I don't know why it is not, but yeah, this is what the prices are for the black canvas 4s in adult sizes. Again, military 4s were about these. They did drop to 280. So if we saw canvases eventually drop to 280 in price, that would, make sense. And I feel like we will see probably a slight restock somewhere for maybe the grade school pairs, the adult pairs, but I feel like a restock is maybe due for these. There will probably be some at, a couple foot site locations, things like that. And, we will let Hype Labs members know. They will know about all these restocks, potential raffles, things like that for upcoming drops that are profitable. So do not sleep on that, and I thought I'd let y'all know. So that's everything that needs to be said. I got a ton of stock on the way, which I'm just going to be, kind of holding on to for future daily steals. Again, if you're looking to get more pairs like this, learn the basics of sourcing stock, reselling, things like that, go check out Hype Labs down below. Get in their wait list. Again, it will not charge you unless we let you on, so just keep that in mind. So if you're let into the group, then all good, you're off the wait list, we've got you in. And again, we got free ACOs, we got botters copping people items for free, we got buy sell hold advice, we got Chipotle codes, food discounts, we got, that's just something random I thought I'd mention in case you want that extra feature. But we also got sneaker backdoors, bypass links for snipes, so you can get straight through queue. We also have, the free ACO is a great feature. Daily steals, don't forget, I drop daily under market pairs, so I'll probably eventually drop this pair for under market price, so some people, can make some great profit off it. And yeah, that's all I need to say. So subscribe, like, 300 likes. Let's see if we can do it. And I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. I appreciate you all for watching this video. And all I got to say is hold these. If you sold them before the sneakers drop, good. Again, you got a good sale. 240 at a grade school pair, 330 on an adult pair, 320 on an adult pair. That's good. Don't even worry about holding this one if you've already sold it there. That's great. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys. And hopefully I will catch you all in the next video soon. Yeah? No? Okay. Hopefully I see you there. I'll see ya. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.